Hey, what's up guys? So, as you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial, just like a get ready with me. So I hope this lighting is good enough. Let's see. Yeah, should work. Alright, let's get to it. So it's gonna be a little bit loud. I'm downtown at my sister's house, and yeah, like trucks go by every 5 seconds. And I want the window open, so that's where we're at. I usually don't do like wings. I just put mascara on and call it a day, unless like I'm going out. But I figure why not? So okay, and do the same to this side. Oh yeah, my hair is a mess. Still have to do that. I pretty much just hope and pray that my wings end up matching. I don't have any sort of system or trick or anything of the sort. So if they don't end up matching, then my my eyeliner is just not gonna match for that day. So it is what it is. I think I'm actually gonna do like pigtails today, because yeah, my hair is just not doing what I want it to. This is kind of okay. Just put that back so it's makeup. All right. So I do that, and then I go in with my mascara. Here, let me move this out the way right now. Oh, for that eyeliner, I used Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. And for the mascara, this is Buxom. or Buxom. It's pretty good. I honestly prefer this mascara called Kush. It's in a metal, like a metal, the tube is metal. It's like heavy as shit too. But I can't find that one right now. So I'm staying at my sister's for a little bit, like I said, downtown, and her boyfriend, Spice, my bestie, he is out of town. He's like in Virginia visiting family, and then I think they drove from Virginia to Atlanta, just like kicking it. So he's been gone for like 4 or 5 days. My sister just went out of town this morning actually. It's Benefit for my eyebrows. I like it a lot, but I got the wrong one. I like the skinny one because my eyebrows are so small that I don't really need like this big ass one. But it still works out. So yeah, we're gonna do the eyebrows. Yes, I like always pull my skin like this, but not too much, just so it like gets on there. Everyone's got like their weird little thing that they do with their makeup, like while they put their makeup on. Yeah, so anyway, she's in Oregon. Having the time of her life with her best friend. And I feel like this lighting is not very good. Is that good? Yeah, whatever. So yeah, having the time of her life. Here I am, making a YouTube video. So it's Monday, and it literally is almost 100 degrees in Los Angeles. Yeah, and it's almost November. So okay, so Halloween is coming up, and I don't know what the fuck to be, because usually on Thanksgiving. Usually on Halloween I dress up. Like last year I was Goku. No, 2 years ago I was Goku. The year before that, I don't even know. I'm usually like a football player, some sort of like ghetto boy, or I don't know what else I've been. I don't think oh yeah, last year I was a dapper guy. But I have to dress up really cute this year because I'm working this party, and you have to dress up. So I don't really have a choice with that one. I could be Tomb Raider and like wear this shirt. I don't know if you guys can see. Like wear this. It looks so cute. I have a wig. I can braid it. Or be the Joker, but I feel like a lot of people are gonna be the Joker because the movie just came out. But you never know, and who fucking cares anyway? What everyone else is doing. So, I found this. It's my sister's. So I think I'm gonna do like a blue dot or something. It's like blue eyeliner. It's brush. I use Makeup Forever because 1, it's bomb. 2, I was using Kat Von D and she discontinued all her colors. Wax sauce. So needless to say, I'm not buying that anymore. Alright, so I am just gonna go in and put a little bit of white powder underneath my eyes so that I don't look too red. And I just take my Kat Von D. I'm really not that into Kat Von D. A lot of this stuff I got from Sephora because I have like a million points because I have a shit ton of makeup. And I just like get it for free. And also they give it to me for my birthday as well. So birthday gifts, like whatever, dude. I really like this powder that she has. Bootleg eyeshadow that I think it was my mom's back in the day. It's Wet n Wild. And it's pretty legit. I love it. So I use that on my eyes. I like to just put like a little bit of dark on them. Because that's what looks good on my eyes. And literally blending is key because I can't stand when people have makeup on and it's not blended. That shit literally drives me up the wall. So there's that. And let me tell you, this is not like some intricate thing I've got going on right now. This is literally just a not necessarily everyday look because I don't do this every day, but I'm going to do some work, so I'm just doing a little bit extra because I feel a little bit better when I do my makeup. Like if I wake up and I'm like sleepy, I will do my makeup to like make me feel a little bit more energized, feeling myself a little bit, you know. it's also kind of a release for me because I get to just like create something, which is cool. On. So I might just do this. Just pants. It's like a really simple look, like real easy. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will just like let me know what you guys want to see and I'll do it. This was my first get ready with me, so they will definitely get better. I'm also like in a rush because I just realized that this took like 30 plus minutes. So yeah, make sure you let me know what you guys want to see, and I will give you what you've been asking for. So thank you so much for watching. Mwah. I'll see you guys later.